Yes. Is that a yummy nectarine, Logan? Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. It's so good. Yummy. Nom, 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 nom. Hey. You're so funny. Yummy. You love a pizza, huh? Thanks, Dad. Mmm. That's so yummy. So yummy. Nummy, nummy. Okay, you gotta let go. Gotta let go. There. Mmm. Yummy. Oh, good one, huh? He likes it too. Mmm. He's trying to slurp all the juice out of it. Logan. Blah. Mmm. Oh my god! Poopy! You did a huge poo! It's still going. Holy moly, that's gonna be a blowout. Eating always initiates poops with Logan.
Yep. It's really good for the cold. Can I eat the rest of this?
I want a piece.
Okay.
Just got like juice dripping down his face. If it was a booby, he would nurse it the best.
Oh, yummy. Mmm.
Nummy, nummy. I love this toy. Mmm. Oh, that's so good.
Is that tasty, Logan? Yummy? Is that so yummy?
Yay, yummy, yummy. Mmm. You are nursing that peach really, really well.
That's just prerogative.
That's right. Mush it, mush it, mush it. Come here.
Oh!
Wow. Yummy. It has to be your favorite food, huh, Logan? Peaches, nectarines. Mmm. Hold it in your hand. Oh, there we go. Silky. Loves his nectarines. Bye. Bye.